Calcium is one of the most important minerals in the human body. It plays a vital role in building and maintaining strong bones and teeth, enabling muscle contractions, transmitting nerve signals, and helping blood clot. When the body doesn't get enough calcium, it can lead to a host of health problems. Here are the 9 main things that happen to your body when you're low in calcium. 1. Bone weakness and osteoporosis. Calcium is crucial for bone health. A deficiency can cause bones to become weak and fragile, increasing the risk of fractures. Over time, this can lead to osteoporosis, a condition characterized by porous and brittle bones. This is especially common in older adults, particularly postmenopausal women. 2. Dental problems. Teeth, like bones, require calcium to remain strong. Insufficient calcium intake can lead to various dental issues, such as tooth decay, brittle teeth, and gum disease. Children with calcium deficiency might also experience delayed tooth development and weaker enamel. 3. Muscle cramps and spasms. Calcium is essential for muscle function, including contraction and relaxation. A lack of calcium can cause muscles to cramp and spasm. This can be particularly noticeable in the legs and feet, and in severe cases, it can lead to muscle twitching and prolonged contractions. 4. Numbness and tingling. Hypocalcemia, or low calcium levels in the blood, can lead to neurological symptoms such as numbness and tingling, especially in the fingers, toes, and around the mouth. This occurs because calcium is necessary for proper nerve function. 5. Fatigue and weakness. Without sufficient calcium, you may feel more tired than usual and experience general weakness. This is due to calcium's role in muscle function and energy metabolism. Over time, chronic fatigue can impact daily life and productivity. 6. Dry skin and brittle nails. Calcium deficiency can manifest in the form of dry, scaly skin and brittle nails. This is because calcium plays a role in skin cell regeneration and nail strength. Inadequate calcium can lead to skin disorders and weaken nails that break easily. 7. Irregular heartbeat. Calcium is vital for maintaining a regular heartbeat. A deficiency can disrupt this process, leading to arrhythmias, or irregular heartbeats. In severe cases, this can have serious implications for overall heart health and require medical attention. 8. Depression and mood disorders. Calcium plays a role in the synthesis and release of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. A deficiency can contribute to mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. Maintaining adequate calcium levels is important for mental health. 9. Poor blood clotting. Calcium is essential for the blood clotting process. Low levels can result in longer clotting times, increasing the risk of excessive bleeding from cuts or injuries. This can be particularly dangerous in the case of severe wounds or during surgery.